Well, g'day curd nerds, and welcome to day 27 of the Cheese a Day challenge. And today's cheese is Gruyère. So Gruyère is all the way from Switzerland, Swiss cheese, Swiss style of cheese. And yeah, so this is the authentic AOP. So area of protection or designation. So it's a protected cheese in Europe anyway. So it contains raw milk, salt, bacterial cultures, and rennet. So there's only been a few raw milk cheeses on the Cheese a Day challenge, and this is one of them. I think one of the others was Roquefort. And can't remember the other one, but yeah, anyway, so this is Gruyère made with raw milk. So the total fat content is 32%. It says on the front that the moisture content is 36%, and it's 195 grams, and it cost me $10 from Woolworths supermarket. And it's saying Le Superbe brand, or 1862. Very cool. Alright, so let's crack into this and see what real authentic Gruyère tastes like. Oh, just before it does, there's a bit on the back, I'll read it out. It says, firm texture with few holes, rich creamy taste, lightly smoked, excellent cheese for cooking or gratin. Okay, cool. So let's do this. It's been brought up to room temperature. So I can feel, and it's quite warm out here today. It's about 30 something. Oh, that looks nice. So that's just, I think that's the top, the back half of the outer rind, the top rind, because it's got some sort of waxy stuff on it. Oh, there we go. I got part of it off anyway. No, the rest is not coming out. It's a PVA coating, and there's none left on the outside. It's all gone. There we are. Scraped it off. And there's none on the outer rind, and this looks like it's been sliced. Oh no, it's the outer edge as well. No, very cool. Nice big wedge. So you just imagine that's the rest of the cheese there. So let's have a piece. Let's smell it first. Oh, smells nutty of all things, which I think this cheese normally does. Mine certainly did when I made it. So let's check it out. So the serving size is about 25 grams. That's about 25 grams for sure. Let's get that out of the way. You stay there, Gruyère. No more plastic bits. Nope, all good. Rightio, let's have a piece of this. Oh, it does smell delightful. Sweet, nutty. Yep, it's just how mine tasted like. Just something about Swiss cheeses, the Alpine method that they use, it's just amazing. Very compact. Delightful flavour, really nice. Creamy, sweet and nutty was how I would describe Gruyère. I know from experience it melts really, really well. In fact, it's one of the ingredients they normally put into fondues. So, get away, fly. So it's a really good melting cheese, and does go well as a fondue. So very nice. I'll try one more because I like it so much. Really nice cheese. Very subtle. Not a strong flavour, but very pleasant, very lovely to eat. You see what it's lasted. The tradition, the recipe's been used, you know, for the last couple 100 years. Very nice. Good Swiss cheese. So Gruyère, very nice. It really complement a cheese platter too. To give that slightly nuttier, or if you didn't have any, say, Emmental or those any holy eye cheeses. It's not as creamy as those sorts of cheeses, but it stands on its own 2 feet. Certainly is a lovely cheese to eat, and be perfect over, oh, it'd be great over cauliflower au gratin. So, you know, over the top, and then put it under the grill and make the brown bubbly cheese over the top. Oh, delightful. So yeah, that's what I'd use it for. Absolutely delightful. Great winter cheese. Anyway, so tomorrow's cheese, which is the last one on the Cheese a Day challenge, is going to be Boursin. I think that's how you pronounce it, or Boursin. Boursin, and it's a garlic and herb variety. It's a soft cream cheese, basically. So that is the cheese we're going to finish on, and we'll see you tomorrow on the Cheese a Day challenge. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so, and hit that little bell to be notified of more cheesy content. You can get kits to make Gruyère over at littlegreenworkshops.com.au. Well, thanks for watching, Curd Nerds, and I will see you tomorrow for the last day of the Cheese a Day challenge.